Okay, so I'm going to show you how to insert a chart. This is my data sheet, and I have my data table here with all of the data that I collected over 24 hours of my time that I spent online or using digital media versus my offline time, my unplugged. Okay, so I want to make a graph or insert a chart just with my online activity data right now. So, what I need to do is, first of all, and very importantly, a lot of you made this mistake, and it's my fault because I didn't tell you. In column B, where you have the amount of time that you spent in minutes, the only thing you should have in the cells in column B are numbers. If you have any letters, you need to take them out. So, for instance, maybe you wrote 30 MIN or minutes. There's no need for that, and it will mess up your chart. It says minutes right here in the column heading, so you do not need to write minutes next to the number. Please take any letters or words or abbreviations that you have in column B, except for this cell B2 with the column heading. All of this should be just numbers. Okay, so that's super important. So if you need to stop the video at any point so that you can do what I'm instructing you to do, always pause the video, take care of what you need to take care of on your own work, and then come back to the video again. So here's how you're going to insert a chart. I need to highlight all of the data that I need to appear in my chart. So I'm going to include my column headings. So that's A2 and B2. And I'm going to highlight all the way down through my last bit of data. So I click in cell A2, I hold it down, and I drag my mouse so that all of my data is highlighted. And then I can insert a chart two ways. I can go up here to insert and click chart. Or I can do it a little more easily, and I can go to this icon right here. It even looks like a bar graph. And I'm going to click insert chart. And here's my pie chart. And it generated a pie chart for me because somehow it knows that I'm comparing the activities that I did with the time that I spent. Okay. So I can see that all this time in green was spent doing my book project. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize your chart so that it's more effective and efficient.